Pulit kemakaya gra ayo pot prasngi kenti banti bat penlong ya kijing tokit bnia ya kisan ngut kibas ya kenok don keti ban Pyniap ya raja rakubansi hakatan sora dangsien hakajin tokit haduk mentak badang ya iru hakini sengi katkum ki Pulit ka Sonam rakubansi gra Phah bakila Pyniap ya raja rakubansi Henry kala khanyat bakadai Phah usamna Jaka Raj Singh Kushwaha kat bau Raj Singh Kushwaha pat wa kenok badai ka Sonam ku Phah ban Pyniap Katkum bijing ong di IG Eastern Range di bis Armara ki Pulit kin tokit benia shua ya ka Sonam bat kini baro ki basyakem bat hadin kin salai yalam si Jaka bagila Pyniap ya raja hakba kin Batai benia kumno gila hakapor ayu bat kumno kin ki phet na kate Jaka hadin ba dap ikakam Katkum bijing trip ke parking hau aliang liat ke badon hajan gue saudong kandai ke Jaka ba khamdon kambha namar ba dai hakate ke Jaka ba lap ikmet yap raja hasitang liat ba lalap ru eka waj hakani ke Jaka ke bala subajur ba kia pendon kamban pom ya raja na kli hakani ke Jaka ki Pulit por kumba khat pra minute katkum global positioning system GPS belapan i hak skoti bagi simwai Kawipat ke Jaka bagi don kam bahaban yalam kadai hajan mau kema ke pecengai kemah nyau kilometer na wei saudong hak bagi Pulit galap ya ke ringkut ke bala subajur bakadai jong ke Sonam bat ki penyang ru hakani ke Jaka kumba minit ya ke skoti kijing jong ki ya ke skoti hasok rarim ru kadai badon kam bakan Batai balai gila ya ke Jaka ke pecengai kumba san kilometer na ke Jaka balap ya ke ringkut Katkum bijing tip syoban kut kani ke prasngi kumbal aibor ke kasiri ki Pulit kin laj yalam ya ke Sonam bat kitu ki badan ketilang bat ka nandu ubisha sing chohan wa akash rajput badu anan kulmi hak syakite ki Jaka bagi don keti banle yaki kam runal bat ban Pyniap ya raja rakubansi
Interrogating them. Is it a
See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating the accused persons.
okay? Since there are can be elements of lying, not telling the truth, will you be seeking the court for lie detectors and other scientific norms of investigations?
See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, and all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches what the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis. Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind that needs to be established because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and uh, the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons that will have to be ironed out, and once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene. Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
All these activities were done in Wei Saudong or any other place.
According to the statements, it was done in Veisana.
We heard there's three accused have they hired a scooty.
See there that Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and on the routes also. We are also confirming from the source.
Since when they have been in here in Shillong, these three accused?
See, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja.
So you are saying about that conspiracy. They are all part of they are the conspirators. But now it has not been proved who is the main accused, main suspect.
See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects. Okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot? That needs to be to be established at this stage. All the persons who are directly involved in the killing of Raja have been arrested. If there are any more accused persons, that we will establish during the course of investigation.